Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view product recommendation on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, you can go ahead and open the Amazon application on your device. And then, to be able to find new products or that you may not have realized before in the Amazon application, and then you can see in your recommendation feature. Well, here please tap on profile icon. And then click your account. After that, scroll down. And then here you can select your recommendation. Okay, and then here Amazon will recommend products according to your search history. Well, that's the tutorial on how to view product recommendation on Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.